We're here for a spectacular golf event at the Wickenburg Ranch that will heighten visibility about the Marine Corps Scholarship Foundation and our mission to honor Marines by educating their children.
This is our 5th year doing this golf tournament at Wickenburg Ranch, and we are super excited.
This event is really special because we get to play alongside people who benefit from the money that we're raising, which is really impactful.
We get to hear the stories straight from those who are impacted, and really hearing those stories makes it that much more meaningful.
On March 7th, 2006, in Korean Village, Iraq, a 25mm HE round went off underneath my feet. Because of my injury, I moved back to Iowa and met someone more precious than gold. As our son is now in his senior year of high school and our daughter follows closely behind, I find it nearly impossible to express how grateful I am that their college has already been paid for.
So I knew there were generous donors investing in my education to honor my father's Marine Corps service, and I wasn't going to take that for granted.
I am telling you, these kids are great.
We're with our friends, having a great time, supporting a wonderful cause.
It's a ton of fun.
I think that the Marine Corps Scholarship Foundation is the best way to honor those Marines who have served and sacrificed for our great country. For us to be able to help their students with their educational dreams is something we feel is one of the best ways to give back.
Being able to help be a part of raising funds of over $2 million over the last 5 years is a real honor to host an event like this.
We love the end part when we're done and we can celebrate and we can see how much money we've raised.
On behalf of the Marine Corps Scholarship Foundation alumni and current student recipients, I want to thank you for your support and your generous investment in our work to honor Marines by educating their children.
Your donation starts a ripple in a family's life, a wave towards a better future. How big of a storm can you create? How many lives can you change? How much hope will you provide?